Welcome to part 2. We're picking up where we left off, exploring how to work with Techie like a pro. Let's jump into tip 2, edit and double check. Now let's talk about editing and checking. Here's Sam, who asks Techie for a poem about bats in a field. Yikes! Bats in a field can mean two things. It's a homonym. Techie guessed wrong, picturing flying bats instead of baseball bats, and Sam didn't check. Imagine if Sam turned that in for homework. Plus, sometimes Techie might even make stuff up. We call that AI hallucinations. So always double check for mistakes or hallucinations. Edit your work to match what you really mean. Next up, give meaningful input. Check out these 2 ways to ask Techie for help. A lazy prompt gets a lazy answer. But when you give Techie details, like notes or a goal, you get something you can actually work with. Clear input means better teamwork. Last tip, keep it ethical. Don't use Techie to cheat on tests, spread fake stories, or trick people. It's meant to help you learn and create, not cause trouble. And that's a wrap on our AI teamwork tips. Remember, collaborate, check your work, ask smart questions, and keep it ethical. You and Techie are an unstoppable team. Thanks for joining us. Now go create something amazing.